Even the interferences happening are designed to raise temperatures. They are designed to raise the fire rather than to shed light on anything. That is what they want to do. If they were sincere, Your Honor, if they were sincere, they will file a formal application. If they don't agree with your rulings, they will file appeals, or they will file application for reviews. They are senior lawyers. They know.
Your Honor, we shall never tire to address these courts under whatever circumstances.
The proceedings have become unruly. The court has rendered its objection, and at this rate we shall head nowhere. The court has pronounced itself, and any party dissatisfied should follow the normal process as provided.
Of course, that's an objection that you have already ruled on. That's okay. Without hearing this.